Okay, welcome to 1209 Brown Street in Point Pleasant Boro. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's take a look. So we've got an open front porch. There is a attached 1-car garage. There's an entrance on the side of the house as well as right here off the porch. Taking a walk into the backyard now. Property is fenced in, nice vinyl fence, new AC condenser there. Take another look at the deck. There's a slider off the kitchen with access to the deck there. It's got a new roof, new windows. Okay, we're gonna take a look inside the house. Nice spacious living room when you first come in. Freshly painted, brand new wall-to-wall carpeting. Just gonna pan around this way. So now we're gonna take a look in the kitchen. This is an eat-in kitchen. It's got a dining area, brand new custom cabinetry, granite countertop. It's got a custom tile backsplash and a new stainless appliance package. Let's go around this way. See? Plenty of cabinet space. Great counter space. And we'll spin around this way so you can see the dining area. And again, there's a slider that goes out to the deck, which overlooks your fenced yard. Ta-da! So this house has its own laundry room. Washer and dryer is included. Some cabinetry for some storage. Good usage of the space you have there. And then there's some additional shelving for more storage, extra pantry space, whatever you want. Okay, here's bathroom number 1. It's got a brand new vanity. Also been freshly painted. The only thing that wasn't done was the tub. Oh, here I am. Hi. And the door. But that could easily be reglazed if somebody wanted to change the color of it. But it's a nice size full bath. We're taking a walk down the hallway. There's 2 bedrooms here. But first you have a linen closet. And I guess there's a little dustbuster thing included in the sale, and there's a new light fixture. Let's see what he's doing with those. This is bedroom number 2. So let's take a look. It's actually a decent sized bedroom. Got a nice sized closet. Got plenty of room for any size bed and furniture in here. Just a typical closet. Okay, so we're going into the master bedroom, a little bigger than the other bedroom. Again, plenty of room for your bedroom furniture, any size bed, night tables will fit. Decent sized closet in here as well. It's a closet. And what's most unique about this house and this square footage is that it has a second full bath. So in this one, it's an ensuite. So you've got a nice master bedroom, private bath set up here. Not something we're seeing in this price point often, or again, this size house. New vanity, new flooring, paint, stall shower. Looks original, but it's in excellent condition. And that's it for the master. So this is 1209 Brown Street in Point Pleasant Boro, east of the canal location. Close to the beaches, downtown Arnold Avenue, shopping, dining, train station. On the market for $364,900, or it's for rent annually for $2,400 a month. Thanks for watching. Come and get it.